In industrial environments, even the smallest details can protect the systems that matter most. Introducing AlphaSeals EPDM Bulb Trim Seal, a premium industrial door seal made in Thailand for control cabinets, machinery, and production equipment. Engineered with a dual-function profile, the hollow upper section compresses and recovers smoothly, helping seal out dust, water mist, and impact from heavy metal doors. The Arrowhead grip base locks firmly into the groove, providing strong retention and resistance against machine vibration. Made from industrial-grade Black EPDM rubber, it delivers excellent resistance to ozone, UV, weathering, diluted chemical exposure, and temperatures from -50 to 160 degrees Celsius. No adhesive is required. Simply press it into the groove for faster installation, easier maintenance, and reduced machine downtime. It helps protect electrical cabinets, control panels, PLCs, and inverters from dust, moisture, and vibration, improving reliability in demanding industrial environments. With dimensions of W19 by 10 mm, H25.7 mm, a hardness of 60 ± 5 short A, available in 50-meter rolls. AlphaSeals, engineered for protection, built for industry, made in Thailand. Contact us for more information or custom rubber seal solutions.